Welcome back everyone, and natapos na natin na install and itest yung ating Python programming language in our system. Now, ang gagawin naman natin is, of course, we're going to download and install yung ating namang IDE. Now, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Ito yung ginagamit natin para makapag-create tayo ng script or ng code. And then, syempre, para ma-run natin. No? Now, there are hundreds or I don't know, even thousands of IDEs out there na pwede niyong pagpilian. Pero ako, kung ako ang tatanungin ninyo as a beginner na kayo nag-aaral, I would suggest na ang gagamitin natin is the Sublime Text 3. But as I have mentioned, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng iba. So say for example, you are already a programmer and you are using other IDEs, wala namang problema yon. So kahit na anong gamitin mong IDE, as long as you are comfortable with it, you can use it. No? Pero dito sa ating gagawing training, ang gagamitin natin is the Sublime Text 3. Pero as I mentioned, maraming pwedeng gamitin. No? We can use the Atom. Yan. Nasa inyo yan kung gusto nyong gamitin ito. You can also use the Visual Studio Code or the VS Code. And yung isa sa pinaka-paborito ko rin na IDE, the PyCharm. No? Maganda itong PyCharm dahil originally ang PyCharm ginamit talaga or ginawa really for Python. No? And then for data scientists, yung mga nag-aspire to become data scientists in the future, pwede nyong gamitin is the Anaconda. Yan nga lang, ang Anaconda is actually hindi ito yung mismong IDE. No? Ang gagamitin nyo sa Anaconda is yung tinatawag na Jupyter Notebook. Okay? So Jupyter Notebook is inside the Anaconda. But as I mentioned in our training here, ang gagamitin natin is the Sublime Text 3. Ngayon, hindi ba ako sir pwedeng gumamit ng IDLE? You can also use the IDLE as nakita natin doon sa ating last video. Pwede nyo namang gamitin ito at wala namang problema. And on later videos, magta-try din tayo mag-run ng script on IDLE para alam nyo rin kung paano gamitin ng IDLE simply because it's built in kay Python. So, kailangan medyo, or hindi lang medyo, dapat din talaga alam din natin gamitin si IDLE. Alright? Okay, so ano ba ang IDE? As I mentioned, it is Integrated Development Environment. Ano ang kagandahan ng paggamit ng IDE? Ang IDE kasi code editor na yan, tama? Ang kagandahan din, ang IDE will help us with, let us say, the syntax highlighting. Na ibig sabihin, nakikita natin kung ano doon yung variable, ano doon yung function, etc. And also, IDEs will help us with auto-completion, debugging, and compiler na rin siya at the same time. And pwede rin siyang gumamit ng iba't ibang programming language. Alright? So, on the next video, ang gagamitin natin is we're going to download the Sublime Text 3 and we're going to use it. Okay? I'll see you there.